I know what you're thinking right now. Iconic moment tricks are fake, they're trash. Alright, just give me only 5 minutes of your time. I'm going to change your mind after this video. So I was doing this little research and I found out that there is a probability of obtaining the player you click on. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't believe in 1 tap, 10 taps, even 100 taps to get an iconic. I don't believe in such tricks. So I was just experimenting on them and boom, this happened. I click on test agent, okay, and surprisingly, guess who I get in return? I click on test agent thinking I may probably get an iconic player, but boom, I get a test agent. Now, this is definitely not luck. Clicking an iconic and getting an iconic is probably luck, but clicking a black ball and getting the exact black ball player is never luck. Okay, well, no one wants a black ball for 100 coins. Let's get into the actual matter of the day. So let me explain to you how the probability thing works. So if you're outside a special agent pack, the probability of obtaining a player is 0 or random, okay? But once you enter into the pack and you click on a player, you have a certain chance of obtaining the player. Now, you can't see the value I'm talking about unless your eyes are sharp like Null Tester. So in this particular pack, I'm clicking on Elba. Alright, I'm clicking on Elba because I want Elba. I had 300 coins to start with. I'm left with 200 coins. I'm still going to click on Elba. I'm not going to check any stats because once you click on the player, you get a probability I'm talking about of obtaining such player. And boom! Guess the player you are going to get. Can you guess the player you are going to get? Alright, who are we going to get? Right-footed player. It certainly should be an Elba, and if at this moment you are enjoying this video, make sure to smash that like button. Okay, now we know clicking on the player gives you a chance of obtaining the player, but how many times do you have to click on the player? Seems like at this point I'm contradicting myself with what I said earlier on, that I don't believe in 1 tap, 10 tap, 100 taps to get an iconic player. Now the reason why I said that is the value keeps changing and my 3 taps to get an iconic won't be the same as your 3 taps. Okay, so say my first tap had a 100% chance to get an iconic. Your first tap would probably have a 70% chance or something less, meaning you get a different player. Alright, now in this particular pack, I was just trying a 1 tap. It didn't work with Xabi Alonso, so I'm going to try with Lewandowski and see whether I'll get a Lewandowski. Let's see if we get a Lewandowski. Are we going to get we got a silver ball, probably because I skipped so fast. Now at this point I have 100 coins left, only 100 coins, and I'm literally pissed off. So I'm literally pissed off. I'm just gonna spam the player I want, that's Roma, and as I've told you guys earlier on, the number keeps changing. So every time I click on Roma, I have a new set of probability that I'll either obtain Roma or a different player. So I've done enough tests behind the scenes to confirm this theory. Well, there are ways you can see the value, but if your eyes are not sharp like Null Tester, you just have to do what I'm doing. Like you literally just click and spam the player you want. So I did it for about 37 times. It's 37 times, exactly 37 times, and as I've told you throughout this video, this 37 times of my click won't fetch you an iconic if you tried replicating that. So I think I'm on my 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th, 35th, 36th, and 37th. Let's try purchasing the player and let's see who we get. And at this point I'm not even surprised that I'm getting iconic. Who is it gonna be? And I'm pretty much sure that it's gonna be our target, Roma. Now I couldn't do much in this video in regards to what's the recommended number of taps to get an iconic moment player, but that will be for another video. If you feel like this video should have come earlier, you can give me that like and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my updates. I'm gonna keep updating you guys on this, and if you find anything interesting, leave it inside the comment section. I'ma see you boys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.